Hey guys, it's SterlingW. I'm going to show you how I make my matcha lattes to go. And this is a very simple process to make matcha green tea because it's very fast too. So what I need is actually my thermos bottle. This is like a 10-ounce thermos bottle. I love this thing. I kept this for over 15-20 years now. Still looks brand new because it's been so cool, and it's also a good size for a single coffee or tea. I have a milk frother as well as my Amazon Basics electric kettle, and of course the Sencha organic everyday matcha. Now this is pretty awesome matcha because all I need is about a teaspoon of this to mix into my about 8 ounces of latte. So about a teaspoon is all you really need, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right in. And of course, definitely seal the bag after you put the tea into the thing. So sealing the bag keeps the freshness in, and some people actually refrigerate matcha. I'm gonna go ahead and put about 1 ounce to 2 ounces of hot water into the matcha, and I'm gonna use the milk frother to quickly mix up all the matcha so that it's blended. I don't even shifted it or anything. It's just basically the powder right into there, and I use the frother to quickly stir and mix it. By itself, matcha is quite bitter, so right now you could actually add some sugar or some sweetener or even honey to this. But I usually don't even add honey or any sweetener to this because I like matcha the way it tastes. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add soy milk to this, organic soy milk, and the soy milk already has some sugar in it. So basically that's all I really need in terms of sweetener. So I just add the soy milk to it. By adding room temperature soy milk or even cold soy milk, it makes it easy to drink really quickly because I usually finish this cup probably the first 10 minutes into my car drive. So I'm going to go ahead and mix all this up together too. But if you want to put hot soy milk or hot milk in it, it's absolutely fine as well. But at the same time, putting cold soy milk, it's fine as well. Let's go ahead and do a quick taste of this. Very tasty, yummy. Anyways, guys, it's SterlingW. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.